Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to place for the most honest and informative tech reviews. In today's episode, we're diving into what I can confidently say is the best screen protector for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 series, the Mr.Shield 3-pack tempered glass screen protector. Now if you're someone who owns a Redmi Note 7, Note 7 Pro, or Note 7S, this is one of those rare accessories that you'll buy once and probably never think about replacing. And that's exactly the point. The Mr.Shield screen protector is built for maximum durability and clarity, so your phone screen stays as pristine as the day you unboxed it. Let's start with the material. Mr.Shield uses Japan's high-grade 9H hardness glass, and that means scratch resistance on a serious level. Whether it's keys, coins, or just daily dust and grit in your pocket, this glass holds its own. The 9H rating is up there with sapphire on the Mohs scale of hardness, which speaks volumes about how resistant it is to scratching and scuffing. What's immediately impressive the moment you install it is the touch responsiveness. Unlike those cheap screen protectors that dull the feel of your phone, Mr.Shield's tempered glass maintains a smooth, fluid touch experience. This is thanks to a high-quality silicone adhesive that ensures excellent clarity and precision touch response. It almost feels like there's nothing on the screen. Installation is straightforward. It's a dry application, bubble-free if done right, and you get 3 protectors in the box, which is a great deal. If you mess up the first one or eventually wear one out after months of use, you've got backups ready to go. The dimensions are perfectly tailored to fit the Note 7 lineup with edge-to-edge coverage, leaving just enough room to keep your phone case compatible too. Now here's the real game changer, the oleophobic coating. This invisible layer repels oils, sweat, and smudges, making it easier to wipe your screen clean. That's something you'll appreciate more over time, especially if you hate constantly wiping fingerprints off your screen. The brand also offers something you don't see often at this price point, a limited lifetime replacement. That's a huge confidence booster. It means they stand by their product, and if anything goes wrong, you can reach out for a replacement. In terms of visual quality, there's virtually no compromise. You still get 99.99% HD clarity. Whether you're gaming, watching content, or just browsing, the display underneath looks just as vibrant and sharp as it does without any screen protector on. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality tempered glass solution for your Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 series, this is it. It's well reviewed, it's designed with care, and most importantly, it does what it promises. To sum it up, premium Japan glass, serious scratch resistance, crystal clear visibility, smooth touch response, and the peace of mind that comes with lifetime replacement. This isn't just a great screen protector. It's the best screen protector for the Redmi Note 7 lineup. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. If you've used Mr.Shield yourself or have questions about installation, until next time, protect your tech and keep it sharp.